this video, I'm gonna show you how to view private Instagram profile absolutely for free. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and honestly, it's way easier than you might think. The whole process takes just a few minutes, so make sure to watch till the end because I don't want you to miss anything important. And I'm gonna start screen recording right now so you can see exactly what I'm doing and follow along with me. So guys, one thing I want to show you is that this profile is absolutely private on Instagram. We cannot see any photos and we cannot open the following list. So I have a solution. All we're gonna need is go to our web browser, and here we have to search for the website igmetric.com. Once we're on that website, we scroll a little bit down and you see the orange button, check private account. We're gonna press it. And on the next page you see that here we have to enter profile's username. So and I'm gonna do this. Yeah, connect. So you see here we have to check if this profile is the correct one, and here we have to press confirm and unlock. So we have to wait a little bit because it's unlocking. Perfect, you see, so here we have to verify and access. And perfect, so you see here we have the list of offers we have to complete. Here is written that we have to complete 2 of them, but I recommend you to complete 3 of them to be 100% sure that then you can view the profile and everything works. So I'm gonna start from this one. Here I have to download this app and complete level 9. Here I have to download this app as well and reach level 11. And here I have to enter my address and continue with the free trial subscription. So I'm just gonna go and do this, guys. Not to waste much time, I'm gonna come back right after I complete all the offers. So guys, now I'm back with my completed offers, and the very last step we're gonna do is type done and press submit after everything is completed. Submit. Yeah, perfect, you see, and now we can return to the Instagram and view the profile. Yeah, perfect, and we can even open the following list. So I hope that this information was actually useful, and you see it really took like 10 minutes or even less. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you.